Welcome to Mental Math Lesson 2.6. Okay, today's lesson's title is Multiply Using Expanded Form. Okay, so everybody please turn to page 93 in your math books, okay? Now, we've done expanded form before. Okay, last chapter we worked on expanded form. And on page 93, we're going to go over how to do multiplication using expanded form. So look at the unlock the problem. We're going to do 5 times 143. Okay, so basically, that's going to be 5 times 143, which equals 5 times parentheses 100 plus 40 plus 3 parentheses. That would be expanded form, okay? And we're going to use the distributive property, which we just learned. So we can rewrite that as 5 times 100 in parentheses plus 5 times 40 in parentheses plus 5 times 3 in parentheses. Okay, now I've drawn a diagram for you that I'm going to show you. You actually have it in your book, but we're going to fill in the colors. Okay, so first we're going to do 5 times 100. And if you look over here at the model, you can see on the top, I did 5 times 100 first, and that equals 500, and then we still have plus 5 times 40 in parentheses, plus 5 times 3 in parentheses. Okay, so that was step 1. Now, step 2, we're going to do 5 times 40, because we haven't done that yet. And notice I have the middle rectangle filled in. So we already have 5 times 100 equals 500. Now we're going to do the 5 times 40. Okay, right here. 5 times 40 is 200. And then we're going to leave the plus and the 5 times 3 in parentheses. Now, over to step 3, we're going to work on our last rectangle. Okay? And if you go over here, we've already done 5 times 100. We've already done 5 times 40. Now we're going to do 5 times 3, which we know equals 15. Okay? Now, the last step, step 4, if you notice on the diagram, I've colored in every rectangle because we've solved for every rectangle. And over here, you're going to see where I add them up. We're going to add 500, which was our step 1. We're going to add 200, which was step 2. And then in step 3, we're going to add our 15. And when you do the addition, you get a total of 715. And that shows you how to use the distributive property when we're doing multiplication. Expanded form. Okay, we're going to use expanded form and the distributive property. Okay, first we use the expanded form, then we distribute it, and we get the final answer using steps 1, 2, and 3. And then we add it all up, and we will get your final answer of 715. So just a quick review. Remember, expanded form first, 100 plus 40 plus 3, then distributive property, and there's your answer. Okay? See you soon.